Hello guys, what we are going to make today is a house, low poly house. So let's start off with a plane. Scale and 7. Scale 7. No. Scale and 5. Okay. Wow. Yes, this is good. Okay. Next, E and little bit. Okay. This is good. And next, what you have to do is bevel these corners. So A, and go to modifier, bevel. I mean, this is sharp, but this is good, but I didn't get that good, but okay, it's okay now for now. No. Okay, so done. Okay, next what you have to do is make a loop cut for the dummy road. It's a little bit over here. Okay, here. And one over. Whoa, that's cool. Next, you have to make a one over here and put it on here, and one slanting over here. Okay, now what you have to do is click this. Oh my god, no. Click this and these three and E and Z. I mean E and extrude it in a little bit. And next what you have to do is make this post sign. Shift A. No, go to this and make it over here and make a little cube. So make it now. Little.
ஷூட்டிங் நெக்ஸ்ட் வேணுமா ஹீரோக்கு கொஞ்சம் சொல்லி எல்லாரும் எவ்வளோ கஷ்டப்பட்டு உழைக்கிறாங்க சினிமாவில் தனியாக கூப்பிடுறாங்க. 30 நாள் 40 நாளில் ரஜினி வயசு என்ன ஆகுது, எல்லாம் அஜித் என்ன ஆகுது, கமல் வயசு என்ன ஆகுது, 30 நாள் 40 நாள் கண்டினியூஸாக 60 நாள் 80 நாள் ஷூட் பண்ணுறாங்க. இவனுக்கு இப்போவே முடியும்னா இவன் ஏன் நடிக்க வரான்? சொல்ல அவன்கிட்ட கொஞ்சம் சினிமா பணம் போட்டால் பார்த்தா இருப்பா, வேலை செய்யணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு.
Next what you have to do is make it and go to the edge, click and click this and move here a little bit and here a little. After that you have to go to box, select and click this and click E. Click E and extrude it a little bit. I don't know why is it not extruding. Extrude it a little bit. What? think I have to. Okay, click these four. This one, this one, this one. Extrude it up. After that, you click the. Let's select. Cut this off. Shift and click this and click F to fill this off, cause it's not looking good. Okay, now just click these four corners. Send it up, and click F. Now it is filled. You click box select, and now you have to go to bevel. In fact, bevel means how to bevel everything. And this is the problem. Okay. Okay, no problem. First, take this bevel off and Control R and click. Make a vertex on top of here. Loop cut and make a loop cut. Or it's making over here but not in the top. What I should do is now. Leave it like this. Okay, so next what you have to do is click this. Click. What is wrong with this? Okay, now click this and extrude. Insert this in. Now, okay, this is good. After that, split in. After that, we have to make this thing green. Okay, so have to be the color green. So what I do with the surface. Okay, now you have to click use node and click this. So now I have to click this. So this to be new and snow and make this silver and assign it. Okay, now it's like a road. Now one is for this. I have to make it correct the colors. So go to this and after that you have to click new and go to there. Click red color, assign it. After that you have to click you have to go to XML. Put these in color. Make this in brown. And the color brown to be brown color you want. It blue. That go to this and click this and go to brown. After that you have to make the house, so shift A and click go to object mode and click Shift A and make a cube. After that you have to make G and say in edit mode G and say G say a little bit upper. You have to make this a little bit upper and make this click this and drag over here and drag this over here. So now we have the base. So next what you have to do is make the windows. So Control R and make loop cuts. And click this and drag it over here. After that you have to do this. Make the window perfectly. The window, I think it's so hard to make the window. I always don't like the window because it's hard to make. So now you have to make the window. For the window you have to do like this for the corners. So now what you have to do is click box select and select these two. After that what you have to do is insert these in, extrude it in. Okay, now it's good. So after that you have to make the door, because door is the main thing. The house, or else you can't enter that too. So you have to make it in the corner like this, the grass touching into it, like somewhere over here. Okay, after that for the corners I'm making it over here one and no and one over here. Okay, so these are these. Now you have to go to box select and select these and E and insert this in a little bit. After that you have to make the door opening thing something. Okay, but okay, now to make this H look better, so I am extruding it out a little bit like this. Okay, now it's good. Okay, so I'm going to make the door opening over here, the handlebar. So make it over here, go over here and UV sphere, yes, tab S and make this a little bit in, I think it's now good. Okay, perfect. How did I make it perfect in one shot? Don't know guys, but okay, after that I will do. Afterwards I will do the board. For now we have to make this chimney. So I have no ideas. I'm going to make this. Okay, so I'm to go with this style, and okay, this is good, perfect. Okay, so click these, click these, drag it out, and drag it up a little bit, and click this, and scale this out, make this in, and extrude it in, and there we go, it's in. Now the chimney is done. For the final, we have to do the bushes and the roof and this stupid antenna. I don't know why did I call it stupid, because it looks like that. I don't like antenna that sticks out from the house. So now okay, now get a plane. Okay, so okay, and rotate it this way. Now let's do some more inwards. And G. And extrude this out. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, after I added the roof, it looks good. Okay, now so the house have to be on top of this. Why? Oh my god, I don't see what's inside there. Oh no. Some more quick. This line and this line. There we go. So now and yes. Okay. What am I seeing? Okay, good. Okay. Now I have to make the, you know what? Okay, now and this side. Oh my god. The next part I'm going to do Doctor Strange's the chain he will wear, right? Yeah, that thing. Okay. going to make in the next part. I'm going to make that. So make it in a little bit with here, this one over here. After that you do this and drag it over here. Wow, I almost finished. The last thing I have to do is the coloring. Coloring. Okay, now I'm going to select the whole house. What color is it? Oh my god, this is so hard to find. What color is it? Okay, I will try to make that color. Okay, why not? I'm going to click this. There you go. I got the color. I got the color. There you go. So now next I have to click this, click this, new material, use now, base color, and make this brown. How am I going to make this brown? Okay, done, brown. Assign it. So now you have to the inside, new, use no, and make it somewhere around here. Okay, good font. Okay, I didn't make it that good, but of course it's good, right guys? Okay, so this color, I'm going to click this and click this. Is it going to come great? Okay, assign it. Okay, good. I'm making it perfect. Not perfect, but okay, now make this. New color. Use node, and I'm going to make this dark brown because dark brown will be good. That much darker. Okay, done. Now assign it. Okay, so now it's so good. I think so. So I need to do these bushes. Okay, so I have to do the bushes. What color is this? Oh my god, I can't find that color. Oh my god. Doesn't look exactly like that, but it looks like that. So here and make you spear. Small spear and shift D8. So now what you have to do is do this, and what am I doing? Okay, so like this I have to make a bush because there is no other ways I know to make bush. If you know means make do in the comment. And okay, oh my god, doesn't look like I mean push, but okay. I'm actually not a pro in Blender, but I'm trying it to be pro. Okay, so this slightly looks like the bush, but it doesn't. Okay, that's the true. Okay, make it little bit dark, lighter. Okay, not too dark, guys. Good. Yeah. So now I'm going to shift T and make one over here as AS. Make it small. Shift T all the way over here and scale it. Big bush. Okay, sorry guys for scaring somebody. Okay. Now this is 3 pushes. This doesn't look like that, but okay. Okay. So let's try to render it. I will try my best. Shift A, make a plane, and I'll try my best, guys. Sorry. And click what did I? Okay, now go to this modifier and make modifier. Why am I doing it everything wrong? Bevel. Yeah, okay, do this. Yeah, blah blah blah, something it looks like good. Okay, now make this blue kind of thingy. So I have to add a camera and make this. How am I going to make everything appear on the camera? Oh, okay. So now and view, camera to view. You see that small bush sitting over there? Okay, I see it, but no problem. So now what you have to do is scale this over here a little bit. Now I think it looks good. Okay, I didn't add lights. Okay, sorry that I didn't add lights. Okay, I have to make this good. Okay, that's it. A little bit far. Now what, I'm going to have the spotlight doing it from there. It looks like good. Okay, so make it white a little bit and make it over here. Shift T, another one, another one. Okay, now take these. Okay, sorry, drag these please put the shadow. Okay, there the shadow. Okay, that's good. Okay, now let's go to render and render image. Wow, a good rendered image. Okay, for now. Okay, it's been a long time since I posted a video. So like and subscribe. Before subscribing, there's a lot of video in my channel. Go see those and subscribe. Okay, if you want, means like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.